Four kind-hearted organizations from district head on Sunday reached the poor flood victims and provided essential commodities. Here is a report. The group of organizations including Karbi Students Association, Chamber of Commerce, Labor Union and Legal Forum distributed materials like drinking water, rice, vegetable, cooking oil and other commodities. The group had visited several relief camps and temporary shelters made by the flood victims in Andar Bitung Rengthama and Rongkhang MEC constituencies. They talked to the affected people to know more about their problems and assured to return with more help possible from their capacity. It may be mentioned that many villages in lower areas of Bitung Rengthama and Rongkhang MEC constituencies have been inundated by flood water. People have been forced to move out of their houses to seek for higher land.
Nilum cengpon lo Bitung hawar lo pena ko damchulo Rongkhang hawar penan thekdam long si Bitung Rongkhang la pen la lang ke thekang lum phan same Bitung lang ke juna lang bisuko lang ke juna lang si ko sto lo ke juna lang ka ve pen la pen la kicho hormu petani sang kusame alu same la pen inti same tum lahai pensil tum pipa jodam lo tum jangka.
Meanwhile, the Jirsong Asong Depot, with the support from NEDSSS Guwahati, had also taken up relief work. The team had visited the flood-affected areas of Satgaon and distributed essentials materials. The joint team had thanked Manos Unidas for needful support. They had earlier provided assistance to the flood and landslide victims of Dima Hasao district.
Cái thế bên đó đặc lang cái thế mà để lang càng lùm là Bitung Rengthama consensi là bên Rongkhang consensi bang penan Arab tum kisung phop bên đó nếu tum song pli là bên lang cái charap itu tum lang marchen tum alo tum itu har là Asonson hormu sik dang pidun bên đó tum metha Arab tum duk kisung tum long subsues tamil tum kerapa jedam long là bên
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live.